Hi, today we are at KS Charcoal in Ahmedabad, a high-end restaurant known for its impeccable service and ambience. This is a place where the food is as good as the vibes. But behind the scenes, the challenge of maintaining such high standards of cleanliness is constant. The entrance, walkway, and lobby are the first impressions of any restaurant. Keeping them spotless is like a game that never ends. Dust, footprints, water, and food spills, you name it, they had it. Enter Vulcan, the autonomous heavy duty cleaning robot. Vulcan isn't just another cleaning robot, it's the MVP of cleaning. Equipped with advanced AI tech, Vulcan is smart, quiet, and powerful like a pro. It's the cleaning partner every business dreams of. Deployed at KS Charcoal, Vulcan transformed the tedious task of cleaning into a spectacle of efficiency and innovation. With Vulcan, cleanliness is no longer a concern but a promise. Experience the future of cleaning with Vulcan. Contact us today.